guys, welcome to Miss Lydia 001 channel. It's yet another beautiful recipe with another beautiful video. Thanks guys for tuning in. Yes, on today's vlog, it's about making a pizza, and I've already put the minced meat on fire, as you can see. And that's my yogurt. Yeah, today I'm going to try with the yogurt. Yes, 500 ml yogurt. And this was my third time trying it, and it came out so perfect. For now, let's add yeast, 1 tablespoon of yeast, and I then went ahead and started mixing yeast and yogurt all together. Thanks guys for tuning in. Please like the now. Let's check on our meat, and I think it's ready. Yeah, it's ready. So I will set it aside and continue making the pizza dough. Yeah. Yes, guys, but don't mind, I'm not having cheese. But all in all, you can make pizza at home without cheese. Yes. Yeah, look at that, guys. It really cooked so well and it was so amazing. Yeah, it's ready. So I will just keep it aside and Wow, guys, I'm just smiling. First of all, let me appreciate you all for watching the video up to this point. You are my amazing family. Yes, Miss Lydia 001 family. Thank you so much for the support, for watching my videos, for liking, for giving me positive comments. I'm so honored. Keep supporting this channel. Yes, we are about to celebrate with you guys. Yes. So for the new subscribers, feel welcome. For the returning viewers and for the new viewers, for the new subscribers, for the returning, for all of you guys, feel appreciated, feel loved. I really appreciate you all for the support, for watching my videos. Yes, as you can see, my pizza came out so perfect and so soft and so yummy. I promise you guys it was so yummy. I never thought making pizza at home it was this easy until I tried it. And this was my third trial. Wow. I can't wait to try with the cheese. Yes, when I'm able to get a cheese, then boom, I'm going to try it. Yes, but for now, let me just enjoy my pizza with minced meat, and yeah, that was it. And how I made it with yogurt, it came out so perfect. Oh gosh, it was yummy. It was so perfect. For now, I don't have to worry about pizza anymore. I can have it at home and I enjoyed it to my fullest. I love you all for watching my videos. Yeah, now I have come to the end of it. Let's meet on the next one. Bye, guys. I love you all. Keep watching and keep liking.